Babatunde, you insult me for calling me that. I am a traditional religious conservationist. There is a whole lot of difference. Remember, I have master's degree. Do you?
Oh, yes, that's true. Gloria mentioned it to me.
And so, I did not go to school for you to call me Babalawo.
Really?
Good morning, ma'am.
How many times do you want to greet me?
But how did you know my place?
This thing you want, there is no turning back. Do you still want to go ahead?
I wouldn't have come here if I wasn't sure. Please continue.
Lead you to temptation. Let the Lord God direct your ways, and you'll be victorious. At the end of the day, the blizzard, a wind of change, a strategy of the devil to disturb.
And he doesn't even know that you're still doing it's testing microphone with him, sir.
You corporate people need to learn how to prioritize your well-being above other things.
And who is this?
That's my pastor.
That Ijoma lady, she's quite an interesting person.
I'm so sorry, sir, for the way she addressed you. She's actually a very good person. She has been so kind to my husband. In fact, she's God sent.
Now, open your mouth.